first off, we are going to create a brand new YouTube channel. If you don't have a Google account, that is what I'm going to walk you through. So first of all, go to youtube.com, and in this upper right hand corner, you are going to see a sign in button. We are going to click on sign in, and at this point, if you don't have any Google accounts, if you don't have a Gmail, you're not going to see any of these accounts here, but what you will see is use another account, or it might just say create account. But for me, I'm going to click use another account. So you're probably going to see this window right away. And now what you can do here is actually create account by just clicking create account. And you have two options, either for myself or to manage my business. Now you probably want to hit for myself because it's probably just your own personal YouTube channel, but actually I recommend hitting manage my business. And this is going to actually give you a few more options that you wouldn't be able to do if it was just a personal YouTube account. One of these perks of having what they call a brand account is multiple people can sign in. Rather than signing into your Google account and accessing your Gmail and all that, they can just sign into the YouTube channel. If it's for myself and you wanted someone else to sign in, they would actually have to get your password for your Gmail for everything Google. So that is one major reason. Another reason that's really cool is you can have a different name on your YouTube channel than your actual Google account. So if you do for myself, your YouTube name will be your Google account name, but not everyone wants to do that. So I definitely recommend going with that brand account. Now when filling out this page, your name right here, this is not going to be what shows up on your YouTube channel. You'll be able to choose that later. So you can really choose whatever you would like here. Now right underneath that, we have your email address. And if you don't have a Gmail account yet, you're going to want to hit this button, which is create a new Gmail instead. Now you need to create a username that goes before the @gmail.com, and if you do something that is already taken, when you hit password, it's going to show you that this username is taken and to try another. So you want to find one that is unique and has not been used before, so I'm going to add a number to the end of mine, and it also gives you some suggestions. So maybe I want to click on this one instead, and now I know that this one is available, and it even recommended to me, so now I'm going to choose my password. Then we're going to hit next, and then we need to fill this page out for Google. So if we need a recovery email address, this doesn't have to be a Gmail, it could be anything, and so you're going to put in a few things here. After filling that out, you'll hit next again, and then on privacy and terms, you can read this, and then scroll down at the bottom, you'll hit I agree. And right here it says your Google account is all set. Now you can add your business profile. So what we want to do actually is hit not now. We are going to go straight to YouTube and finish creating our YouTube account. Now we're back on the YouTube page, and we know our channel is created because up here we can see our icon and our name, but there's a very, very, very important step that you need to know next. I want you to go to your channel icon and hit create a channel. So we are going to click that button, and then we're going to see this. It says your creator journey begins, and we're going to say get started. Now here we're able to use our own name, or we could use a custom name, which is what I want to do. And now I can choose a channel name, and I can put that in here. So I've chosen my name, I click I understand, and I hit create. And at this point, now I've created a YouTube channel. Now we have a brand channel, so remember that if you want to change your name at any point, you still can do that. You just got to go into your settings and change that. Now I have videos already talking about how to upload a profile picture and all that kind of stuff, so I'm going to avoid that, but go back to YouTube, and then we can see here when we click on our icon, we can go to your channel. And at this point, you have a YouTube channel. You can go into the comments, you can post a video, you're officially a YouTuber. If you want to create another YouTube channel, maybe for some different content, and you already have a channel, you want to click on your icon and then go into your settings. On this page, we're going to go to your channel, and we're going to find add or manage your channels. We'll click that, and here we're able to open up a brand new YouTube channel. When creating a new channel, it's automatically a brand account, and you can put in your name right there and create it. It's very, very simple, but that is how you do it. Now there's one last thing that is the most important part of this video, and you definitely want to do this. This next step is going to give you access to do custom thumbnails. You can post videos 15 minutes or longer. You can live stream, and you can also appeal content ID clips. Here's how you do this. Back on youtube.com, you want to click on that icon again. This time we're going to go into the YouTube studio. In the YouTube studio, we're going to go to this bottom left corner, and we're going to go into the settings. Next, we're going to click on channel, and then feature eligibility. We can see that the default features have already been enabled, But for this, we do want to enable this as well, which is what I was talking about. And all you need to do this is to verify a phone number. So click on that button, and then what you'll do here is you will want to hit text me. I like to have them just send a text and it happens right away. You type in your phone number, and then you want to hit submit. Right away, you're going to get a text message, and then you want to open that up and put in that 6-digit number into Google. You'll hit submit, and now congratulations, your YouTube account is now verified and you are completely set up. The next step is definitely to set up your profile picture as well